In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Obsidian with Google Drive. Obsidian stores your notes locally as simple markdown files, which is great for control and portability, but it doesn't connect directly to Google Drive. So the approach we'll take is to keep your Obsidian vault inside a Google Drive folder and let Google Drive handle the syncing across your devices. This is a straightforward, reliable method that works on Windows and Mac OS. First, head to drive.google.com and sign into your Google account. You'll be on the Google Drive home screen. We're going to create a dedicated folder for your Obsidian notes, which keeps everything tidy and makes syncing smoother. Click the New button at the top left, then choose New Folder. Give the folder a name that makes sense to you, like Obsidian, or use the name of your specific vault if you manage more than one. Clear names help you avoid confusion later, especially if you sync multiple vaults or share your drive with other projects. Click Create to add the folder to your drive. Next, open the folder you just created. This is where your Obsidian notes will live in the cloud. If you already have an Obsidian vault on your computer, the simplest way to get it into Drive is to drag and drop the entire vault folder right into this window. That ensures all your notes, attachments, and the hidden .obsidian settings folder are included, so your themes, plugins, and workspace layout come along for the ride. If you're starting from scratch, you can drop individual markdown files or create a fresh structure here. Either way, try to keep your folders organized and avoid renaming files while a sync is in progress to reduce the chance of conflicts. You'll see an upload status in the bottom corner as files transfer. Larger attachments like images or PDFs will take longer, and your internet speed will affect how fast this goes. Let the upload finish completely before moving on so that your cloud copy is current and complete. Now that your notes are safely in Google Drive on the web, we want them available as a local folder on your computer so Obsidian can read and write to them directly. To do that, download Google Drive for Desktop. Go to the Google Drive download page and click Download Drive for Desktop. This app is the bridge between your cloud files and your computer's file system. After the download completes, open the installer and follow the on-screen steps. When you sign in, Google Drive for Desktop will set up a drive location on your computer and begin syncing your files. Here's what this gives you in practical terms. The folder you created online will appear on your computer, either as a mounted drive or inside a Google Drive directory, depending on your settings. From there, you can open Obsidian and select your vault from that local Google Drive location. Any changes you make in Obsidian will sync up to Google Drive, and any edits you make from another device will sync back down to this computer. A few tips to keep everything clean and conflict-free. Let Drive finish syncing before you start heavy editing, especially the first time you set this up. Avoid keeping the same vault open on two devices at once for long periods because simultaneous edits to the same note can create file conflicts. If you do see a conflict file, you can merge the changes manually inside Obsidian. Keep file names simple and avoid unusual characters that can cause issues across operating systems. If something looks out of date, refresh the Google Drive webpage to confirm what's in the cloud, and check the Drive for Desktop status icon on your computer to make sure syncing is active. That's it. You created a dedicated folder in Google Drive, placed your Obsidian vault or notes inside it, and downloaded Google Drive for Desktop so your files sync across devices. With this setup, you keep the flexibility of local markdown files while getting the convenience of cloud backup and cross-device access. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Obsidian workflow with Google Drive.